Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making cheesecake stuffed red velvet cupcakes. Now these cupcakes will impress any crowd. They're not that hard to make. You could use a box mix of the red velvet if you want, but I recommend that you try making it yourself from scratch. It's 10 times better. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and then let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the cupcakes we're going to need 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. We're going to start by mixing our flour, our sugar, our salt, our baking soda, and our cocoa powder together. Just going to get this combined. Now we're going to mix our buttermilk, our eggs, our oil, our vinegar, and our vanilla together. Let's get this well combined. And now we're going to take our dry ingredients and mix it into the wet ingredients. We're going to do a little bit at a time. Now you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I'm just going to use a whisk. Get this all mixed up. Once you get that well combined, add in the red food coloring. We're going to get this mixed up. Alright, that's all mixed up. We're going to set this aside and we're going to work on the cheesecake filling for it. For the cheesecake filling, we are going to need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, a 1/3 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to take those 4 ingredients and we're going to go right into a bowl and we're going to combine these. Now you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, or if your cream cheese is softened enough, you can do it with a whisk. Once you get both the batters made up, you're going to line a muffin pan. We're going to fill each one up about 2/3 of the way up of the red velvet cake. And we're going to give it a nice little scoop of the cheesecake filling right in the center. Give it a little push. Just like that. Now we're going to do the rest of these and we're going to get these in the oven at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. And those are our cupcakes. Now we're going to let them cool down for a little bit. If you're going to ice them with some cream cheese frosting, you're going to want to let them go for an hour or so until they're cool. So I'm going to let these cool down and then we're going to get a bite. Alright, let's get a taste of these. I'll put some cream cheese frosting on it because I think red velvet totally needs it. Man, that's good. It's one of the best red velvets I've ever had. You can slightly see the cheesecake filling right there. It's super moist. The cheesecake shines, but it doesn't overpower. The cream cheese frosting is amazing. I really hope you try this. Everybody will love it. It makes about 24 cupcakes. Trust me, you're gonna need them. If you like what we're doing, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.